Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought in new updates regarding PhD admission. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel. So NIT Meghalaya has given the notification for admission to PhD program starting in July 2021 or autumn 2021 for full-time and sponsored part-time PhD program. There are different branches in which you can apply for PhD. Also in every branch there are different areas for full-time and for a sponsored part-time program. First department is civil engineering. The areas for full-time is structural engineering, water resources, air pollution control, solid waste management, wastewater treatment, geotechnical engineering. And for a sponsored part-time, the areas are building induced deformation and residual stresses, structural engineering, transportation engineering, that highway engineering, air pollution control, solid waste management, wastewater treatment, structural engineering material and smart infrastructure. Next branch is cloud computing. In this also there are different areas for full-time and sponsored part-time. Third branch electronics communication. The next one electrical engineering, mechanical. In mechanical areas are for full-time fluid and thermal engineering, CFD and manufacturing, and for part-time fluid and thermal engineering, CFD, non-destructive testing, structural health monitoring and condition monitoring, then manufacturing. For this physics, they have areas for full-time is liquid crystal and astroparticle physics, and for part-time liquid crystal and condensed matter physics. Then this CY stands for, I think it's chemistry. Yeah, maybe it's chemistry. You have to see the detail. There are different areas. For MA also they have different areas for full-time and part-time. And humanity and sciences, they have no vacancy for no areas for full-time candidate, and there are 6 areas in which this sponsored part-time can apply. There are various category for this PhD admission. First one full-time, in which scholars will get fellowship offered by the institute as per MHRD norms or other funding agency. And next one sponsored part-time. This program is only for industry people, corporate and faculty of senior colleges like polytechnic and junior college are not to be included. Senior colleges in this polytechnic and junior college are not included, where PhD is a requirement. Employee from industry, corporate houses, research and development organization and faculty of senior colleges with minimum of 5-year experience, out of which 2 years should be from the current organization, will be eligible for apply to a sponsored PhD program. In this you will not get any fellowship. Shortlisted candidate for a sponsored program should mandatory propose a co-supervisor along with his or her brief biodata and consent from the parent organization or from any reputed institute closer to the workplace of the candidate before taking admission in NIT Meghalaya. Eligibility criteria. For full-time scholar, if you have ME or MTech or MSc, this for full-time master degree in engineering or science, technology and humanity and social sciences or management sciences, or master degree in allied subjects with consistently good academic record and minimum of 60% marks, and in the case of humanity and social sciences it is 55%, or equivalent CGPA in master degree. Candidate with BTech with an aggregate of 75% or equivalent CGPA with valid GATE score will also be eligible. Means if you have BTech with 75% marks and valid GATE score, then you can apply directly to PhD program. But if you have masters with 60% marks, then you can apply for full time. For a sponsored part time, same condition, but the MEM Tech with 60% marks and this candidate with BTech with an aggregate of 60% marks or equivalent CGPA are also eligible. Means for a sponsored part time, you can directly apply for the PhD program also. Employee from industry, corporate houses or research and development organization and faculty of senior with minimum working experience of 5 years, out of which 2 years from will be eligible for applying to a sponsored part-time program. Candidate age should not be more than 58. Application fee, it is 500 for general and OBC candidate and 250 for SC/ST candidate. You have to pay online. Selection process is your, the selection will be taken by online written test and or interview. For full-time and sponsored part-time scholar may be referred to, will be updated under this website. Period of candidature, candidate salary as per PhD regulation of NIT मेघालय. PhD regulation, इसमें क्या है आपका, before submitting the application, candidate are advised to visit concerned department web pages about research work domain and facility available in the institute. Means if you want to apply, then first go to visit individual department section about their research domain and facilities available. स्टेप आपका क्या है, आपका फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट आर एडवाइज टू मेक द एप्लीकेशन फी पेमेंट एज पर द कैटेगरी. Application fee is not refundable under any circumstances. Then you have to fill the application form. After submission, printout of the online application form should be sent by email with all scanned document. Hard copy of application form along with proof with all testimonial to be sent by post to the mentioned address. इंस्ट्रक्शन आपका ऑनलाइन SBI कलेक्ट में जाना है, वहाँ से आपको पेमेंट करना है. और ऑनलाइन भी सबमिशन यहाँ से कर सकते. सबमिशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक. आई विल अपलोड द लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ड्यूरिंग हार्ड कॉपी सबमिशन ऑफ एप्लीकेशन you have to submit these all documents. If you are applying for a sponsored part time, then you have to submit one NOC from parent organization. Address you have given. In this address you have to send your application form. These are the important areas, important dates, like online application will be have already started from 25th of March. Last date it's 4th of May. Submission of hard copies 18th May. Shortlisted candidate will be intimated on 24th of May. Online written test and interview will be conducted on 3rd of June, and display of selected candidate 9th of June. If you have any queries, then you can mail on this email ID phdatmission@nitmeghalaya.ac.in. So that's all about today. If you have liked the video, then share with your friends also. If they are want to pursue PhD from NITs, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.